Hello dear friends, this is the Apple Fruit channel. In this video I want to show and tell you how to disable the power button called reset function on your iPhone. That is, if you are on the phone with someone, you can accidentally press the power button and the call will end. This is a feature of all iPhones. How to turn it off? Very simple. To do this, go into the settings of your iPhone and a little lower find the item Accessibility. Open this item. Now select here the item touch. Go down below and find the button Prevent Lock to End Call. We turn on this function. After these steps, if you press the power button during the call will not end and we can continue to talk. This information is written here. That's the easy way to do it. This was the Apple Fruit channel. Like it and subscribe to the channel. Bye bye.